We are running water to our buffer tank. And I'll show you what we're going to be cleaning this cold December morning. It is the 29th. This is one of the last cleanings for the 2023 season. And show you what we're gonna do. All right, here we are on site. I'll flip the camera around and I'll show you exactly what we're gonna be cleaning. So check this out. So we're just washing this retaining wall. It's got lots of mildew and moss, and there's actually some efflorescence, which is the white stuff. But we're just gonna be pressure washing and using a little bit of our cleaning solution to get this retaining wall cleaned up. This house is about to go on the market, and we're just gonna help them get it ready. So I'll walk you through the process and what that looks like here in just a few. It is currently Friday the 29th. It's the last job of the year, so we're excited about that. 2023 has been an insane year for my company, and it's been a blessing. And 2024 is let's just say that 2023 was a warm-up compared to what's going to happen in 24. So we're excited. Come along for the journey, and I'd love to see if we can't make this a great time for everybody. So if you enjoy the content, let me know in the comments. All right, that's a wrap. Got all this wall treated. I'm gonna flip this around so you can see, but it's focusing this whole wall, and then all this, and also the other side. But yeah, guys, on this project I just use strictly pressure. It is 1:11, so we'll look at the time and see how long it took us. But I think on this project I charged $650. So an hour and a half worth of work, so it's not too bad. But yeah, that's it.